Hi everyone, Rainey with my Dreamboat project. I just wanted to come on to give you an update. So far I've done 7 of the 14 bulkheads, and I still have to do the transom as well. So I'm getting some good progress. I've been trying to do one a night when it's good weather. It's just that you can see my garage here is so small, there's no room to have these all in there and work. So I got to keep on taking every one of them out to do my new bulkheads. And when I get a new one out, then I let it dry and I bring all the others in every night. So it's been kind of a yo-yo fiasco. But I wanted to show you how I'm doing. I was very impressed with how large it is, even though I had the measurements until I actually got them built and seen how wide it is. I had no idea that it's going to be this big. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you are too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Ow, that hurt. I just stuck myself with something.